June 2015 S1 question 3 is our probability question. It starts simpler enough, just asking us to fill in this table at the bottom, and I don't think anybody actually got it wrong. I've got a 0.8 here, and 22 take away 16 is 6. I've got 0.06 here, 0.09 there. Well, to get this one here, let's go via the total. That total there must be 0.2. 0.2 take away those other two gives us 0.05 here, and 5 and 8 is 13, so 0.13 there. Nobody seemed to get that wrong at all. So now we can use that table to find out when they depart and arrive on time. Depart and arrive on time would be that 0.56 there. On time, so that's just read off the table, 0.56. The next one we've got then is departs late. Well, departs late is just late here, go all the way to the end. Doesn't matter what the other bit does. We've got 0.2. Just one mark for each of those. Now it starts getting a bit more interesting. Now we're being asked that it's given that it's departed late. We've been given that it's departed late. So we know that we're in this row here. This row here is out of 0.2. So it's something out of 0.2. Given that it's departed late, it arrives late as well. Well, arriving late was that one there, 0.05. So we've got 0.05 over 0.2, which of course is just a quarter, or 0.25. The next one then, we've been given that it departed on time. So this time we're in the top row, it's departed on time, so we know it's out of 0.8. It does not arrive late. It does not arrive late. So I don't want that one. I want these two here, and those two there add up to 0.72. So I've got 0.72 divided by 0.8, which is 0.9. Now, unfortunately, my table's a little bit of a mess there, isn't it? So let me just pause while I type. So continuing now, we've got 3 days, and it's leaving on time. If it's on time, we know we're in this top row here again. We want one of them to arrive early, one of them to arrive late, and one of them to arrive on time. Well, the early one is 0.16 out of 0.8. The on-time one is 0.56 out of 0.8. And the late one is 0.08 over 0.8. The only other thing you've got to do is think how many ways are there to do this. Now there's 3 different things, so if I call them A, B, C, how many different ways round are there of doing 3 things? And you'll work it out before I get to the end of all of this, won't you? That there are 6 different ways of working those things out. So it's 6 times by all of that. Just tap all of that into your calculator to get the answer 0.084. 0.084. The mark scheme for that is quite straightforward. The examiner's report says a lot of people did it quite well. Only the strongest candidates at the end, though, could cope with the full response. And what did we get? Well, as you see, virtually everybody got the first part right, and it just decreases towards the end there, down to the last bit where we got 44% on the last question.